everyone, I'm Monalisha. Welcome to my channel. And आज का video is about 10 glow up tips that I'm going to share with you all जो मैंने किया है, and I'm hoping that this video will help you a lot in terms of your glow up journey. So yeah, let's get into the video. First one, and it is I think the most important for me, is crease free clothing. Whenever I opt for an outfit for a date, or even if like I'm going out with my friends, or just in general I'm just stepping out of my house, or especially to make videos, I make sure all my outfits are crease free. Believe it or not, this actually makes a lot of impact on your personality, and it makes you polished instantly. So definitely follow this number one rule: always crease free. So definitely you have to follow number one rule, that is always crease free clothing. Now next one is well kept nails. I know we neglect our nails a lot. Honestly, I have also done that in the past. I was getting acrylic nails, and that was like really bad. I was of course under the influence of influencers, of beauty creators. So I thought, you know what, this looks really cool, so why not just try it. But over all of that, like overdoing acrylic nails, every month my nail bed gotten really bad. It started getting brittle, बहुत ही पतला हो गया था nail bed, तो वो टूटने लगा था, and it ended up looking really bad. So I found a way. I love gel paints. तो अभी मैंने gel paint सीख लिया है करना, तो मैं घर पे ही कर लेती हूँ. I don't go out to the salons anymore. I do not trust anyone with my nails anymore. So I do like these very simple gel paints. घर पे ही मैं कर लेती हूँ. If you are someone who is not ready to like do gel paints, so go for like neutral colors, or even if you want to get bold colors, make sure that your nails are polished really well. Not like कि कहीं से कुछ निकल रहा है, कहीं से कुछ निकल रहा है. अगर निकल रहा है तो उसको पूरा ही निकाल दो. अगर आपको लगाना है तो उसको ठीक से लगा के रखो. एंड शेप्स की बात करें तो ऑफकोर्स शेप्स तो आप कोई भी कर सकते हो, बट आई ऑलवेज प्रेफर लाइक अ मिड लेंथ सॉर्ट ऑफ नेल लेंथ. और इफ एट ऑल अगर मिड लेंथ भी नहीं है तो मैं बिल्कुल ही छोटे करवा लेती हूँ. दैट लुक्स really nice. Now the third is of course about again outfits. Figure out your colors, guys. मेरा जो wardrobe है, it is filled with neutral colors. I wear a lot of like neutral colors, be it whites तो मेरे पास बहुत है, pinks, reds, yellow इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है, blacks, yes I have a lot of blacks as well. So understand what color suits you the best. इतना ज़्यादा trendy एक्सपेरिमेंट करने की हमें ऑनेस्टली ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. वी वेस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑन ट्रेंड्स. स्टिक टू द कलर्स विच लुक्स द बेस्ट ऑन यू. फिगर आउट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज something that looks the best on you, and only invest in those pieces, and I promise you will feel the best every time you wear those pieces. Ladies, fourth is less makeup. I know it may sound I don't know, some people may or may not like the fact that less makeup actually looks nice. Honestly, I am someone, I've been only doing less makeup. Even in my makeup videos you've seen, I don't do a lot of makeup. Either I'm just wearing concealer, a little bit of blush, lipstick, mascara, and that is it. I don't even wear falsies for that matter. I don't like to underline my lip with that different sort of lip liner. फिर मैं उसमें lipstick लगा रही हूँ. Honestly, we do not really need that. It is good only in the camera. It looks really nice on our YouTube shorts or short format content or long format content, but in real life we like simple makeup. Everyone around us actually loves less makeup, so let's not glorify like putting on a lot of makeup on our face. Next is minimal jewelry. I am a lover of minimal jewelry pieces. I always tend to find dainty pieces to go out with all my outfits, be it Indian wear or Western wear. I have these like really pretty studs which I wear with almost all my outfits. So make sure like you have a collection of minimal jewelry. Yes, you can definitely invest in different kind of oxidized silver jewelry. That also looks really good, but you know, you are a little restricted with wearing just for some occasion, especially ये जो Indian वाली jewelry होती है. And just try and build a little bit of your minimal jewelry collection which you can wear almost every single day. For example, today I'm wearing these earrings. These are so cute, so tiny, and I got these only at 30 rupees. So you're not honestly spending a lot of money. just that you should know what kind of pieces look the best on you and just invest in those pieces. That is it. You don't need a lot of these pieces as well. Sixth is invest in a good high quality white dress and a white shirt. You will rewear that so many times. I'm not even kidding guys. Like white shirt आप jeans के साथ पहन सकते हो, trousers के साथ पहन सकते हो, white dresses आप इतने सारे occasions पे पहन सकते हो ना, इसका कोई मतलब number ही नहीं है. I have worn my white dresses to so many vacations. It's not even funny. Even on dates I've worn it. I have worn it just like that to go out. I have worn my white shirt so many times. It's not even funny. So definitely invest in white dress and a white shirt. Now again, seventh वही है clothing से related. Do not get carried away with trends आते जाते रहते हैं. If you remember, there was this trend of like neon colors which happened, and oh my god, that is like, where is that? It's nowhere, right? So just invest in classic pieces, and that will serve the purpose of you wearing those outfits for the longer period of time. Understand what kind of silhouettes look good on you. For example, I have a tiny body and my legs are like really skinny, so I love wearing crop tops. I love wearing long dresses. They look really nice on my body type, so I always stick to those. And maybe like 15% I experiment में, थोड़ा बहुत skirts वगैरह भी पहन लेती हूँ, मैं shorts भी डाल लेती हूँ, but I stick to what makes me look the best. So figure it out कि कौन सी तरीके के सिलुएट्स हैं, किस तरीके के आउटफिट्स हैं जो आप पे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं, and try sticking to those. Eighth, maintain a good posture. We neglect our posture so much. I have done it. Like I used to hump like this, I used to sit like this because I used to feel कि ओ मेरे को दर्द हो रहा है पीछे, so मैं ऐसे बैठ जाती थी. It's a very bad habit to follow. Try not to do it. If you're doing it, take this as a sign that ठीक से बैठो, ठीक से खड़े हो, जहाँ पे भी खड़े एकदम सीना तान के खड़े होना है. If you're tall, please be proud that you are tall and just stand straight. Be the queen. It is just so attractive. I love when women who are tall and they're like wearing heels and all that. Just embrace who you are. It's completely fine. Girl, it's just amazing. Ninth, focus on your hair health, which is something I have neglected for a lot of time. I have not oiled my hair. I do not use serums. I have always used hair tools जो heating वाली होती है. So today I have not done it. I have just let my hair shine, just like I have wavy curly hair. So yeah, this is basically my hair. ये अभी सूख रहे हैं, so I thought I just film this video quickly. आपके जो बाल हैं वो आपके सर का crown है, right? So make sure like you invest in good products. अगर कोई product है जो आपके बालों को damage कर रहा है, आपको एक ही बार में पता लग जाएगा. When you use it, stop using it. It's fine. Go to another product and try different thing, and whatever is working for you, stick to it again and invest in those products. Okay. 10th is one of my favorites, and that is always smell good. That just makes and breaks my mood instantly, especially when I'm out and someone is stinking. It's just not a good sign. I completely would like to go away from that situation because I am very sensitive to smell, and I always like to smell good. So what I do is I get into hot shower, and after that I apply some oil. I do not use moisturizer on my skin because I just feel like it makes my skin extremely sticky. So after that I use one EDP, which is something that I use from Victoria's Secret. You can use whatever you like, and after that I grab any of my perfumes that I like and just spray it here, in here, and that is it. I do not spray a lot, and I just like to linger the smell all over me, and yeah, that is pretty much what I do. So that is it for this video, guys. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if you want a part 2, let me know. I will share more tips with you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.